everyone, welcome back. My name is Medea and this is part of my free yacht stewardess course. When I started, I couldn't afford the pricey training, so I built this course myself and now I'm sharing it with you for free. If you want today's notes and the printable checklist, the link to my Telegram is in the description. Today you'll learn place settings, exactly what goes where, why it goes there, the measurements to copy, and a simple sequence so every table you set looks elegant, consistent, and yacht ready. Start with 5 principles you remember forever. 1. The outside-in rule. Guests use the outermost cutlery first and work inward as courses progress. 2. Solids left, liquids right. Forks and the bread plate live on the left. Knives, spoons, and all glassware live on the right. 3. Knife blades always face in toward the plate. 4. Symmetry sells. Every cover mirrors the next in height, spacing, and angle. 5. Polish everything that touches the guest and hold items by stamps or handles only. Use memory tricks. BMW means bread, meal, water. Bread on the left, meal in the center, water on the right. Now, copy these exact measurements. Drop the tablecloth 20-30 centimeters even on all sides. Center each charger 2-2.5 centimeters from the table edge, about 1 finger width. Line up flatware tips on an invisible line, like 2 centimeters from the edge. Give each guest 60-75 centimeter to center for the elbows and stamps don't clash. Keep glasses 1-2 centimeters apart, bases aligned in a neat diagonal. Here is your standard 3-course plated setting and the order to build it fast. First, lining down and centered. Charger, flatware, glassware, bread and butter, napkin, place card or decor, final polish, and micro adjust. Place the forks on the left. Salad fork outside, main fork inside. Place the knives on the right. Main knife inside with blade facing the plate. If there's a fish or entry knife, it sits outside of the main knife. If soup is first, the soup spoon side outermost right. Lay dessert cutlery above the plate. Dessert fork closest to the plate with its handle to the left. Dessert spoon above it with its handle to the right. If space is tight, bring dessert cutlery later with the dessert. Set the bread and butter plate upper left. Rest the butter knife across its top around 10-11 o'clock. Blade down. Build the glass cluster upper right, anchor water above the knife tip, then white wine, then red wine, with champagne slightly behind or to the outside. Only preset what the menu actually needs. Place the napkin either on the charger, like formal style, or to the left of the forks, or on the bread plate if place is tight. Avoid napkin in glass for formal meals. For formal multi-course or tasting menus, preset only what's needed for the first courses, so the table doesn't look cluttered. Use fish fork and knife if your yacht carries them. Put chargers down before guests arrive. Keep them through starters and remove before the main course unless your SOP says otherwise. Don't serve dessert on a charger. For stems, preset water plus 1 or 2 wines and add or replace pairings during service. For casual breakfast or lunch, skip the charger. Set a fork left, a knife right, and add a spoon if cereal or yogurt is served. Place the coffee cup and saucer to the right with the handle at 3 o'clock and the teaspoon resting on the saucer. Handle also at 3 o'clock. Put a small juice glass just forward of the water. The napkin can sit left of the fork or on the plate. Butter or jam knives are either preset or arrive with the service. For buffet or family style, think guest flow first. Stack plates at the start, put cutlery after plates and napkins at the end or pre-rolled. Label dishes, provide tongs or spoons per dish, and add discreet allergen cards when needed. Keep hot food hot, cold food cold, and change serving utensils frequently. If the meal is seated after the buffet, preset water and wine stems, and at least a fork and knife. Bread plate is optional. Make glassware look intentional. The water goblet, usually the tallest, most vertical, anchors the cluster above the knife tip. White wine stems are slightly smaller than red. Place white closer to water if it's served before red. Champagne sits to the outside or slightly behind. If the menu serves only on one wine, preset one wine glass plus water and add others if needed. Always polish stems with a lint-free cloth and steam, and hold glasses by the stem or base only. 2 napkin folds you can trust. First will be classic rectangle. Fold in thirds lengthwise, then in half widthwise. Keep edges straight and any logo level. Simple pocket. Fold to a rectangle, then fold down the front layer about 6-8 centimeters to make a pocket for a menu or place card. Whatever you choose, keep folds crisp, edges parallel to the table edge, and all napkins facing the same way around the table. Place cards and host details. Place the card above the dessert cutlery or centered on the napkin, with the text facing the guest chair. If your yacht sits a host and guest of honor, follow your SOP for the arrangement and mark seating subtly. For service, pick a seat numbering system and stick to it. For example, seat 1 is the host, then number clockwise. Now special items your counter. Steak knives arrive before the main and their tips align with other knife tips. Chopsticks sit horizontal on a rest above the charger or to the right of the plate. Tips point left. Add a soy spoon or ramekin if needed. Caviar seafood uses mother of pearl spoons. Ice service and a separate bread plate. Bread service can be on the B&B per guest with a butter knife, or a shared basket with tongs and a side plate per guest. Stay safe, hygienic and shiny. Polish in this order: glass, cutlery, chargers, plates. Use steam or hot rinse and a lint-free cloth. Never touch eating surfaces after polishing. For allergens, use distinct utensil sets and label discreetly. At sea, stabilize non-slip mats under underlays or centerpieces and keep the glass cluster away from the table edge. And here is your 10-step setup sequence per table. 1. Cloth centered with an even drop, dead lint and smooth creases. 2. Charger centered on each cover line at 2.5 centimeters from the edge. 3. Forks placed outer to inner, tips aligned in a straight line. 4. Knives with blades in, then soup spoon if required. 5. Dessert fork and spoon above the plate or hold them for dessert. 6. Water glasses above knife tip, add wine stems and add tidy diagonal. 7. Bread and butter plate up left, butter knife at 10-11 o'clock, blade down. 8. Napkin for place in the chosen position, all matching. 9. Place cards and decor, keep centerpiece sidelines clear. 10. Final polish and alignment at guest eye hay, remove fingerprints. And here are training targets to cover lunch setting in 8 minutes, for cover formal setting in 14 without florals. Run service checks before guests sit. Open and hide water bottle or fill jugs. If you see bubbles on the inside of glass, repolish it. Set bread and butter. Fill clean salt and pepper. Stage side tables with a crumble, space cutlery and napkins, plain tray space, and keep the paths clear. Pull chairs evenly. Fix these common mistakes instantly. Uneven flatware, run a ruler across the tips and straighten. Knife blades facing out, flip them toward the plate. Glass cluster too close to the edge, pull it back near the knife tip and leave a finger of clearance. Busy setting, remove unused pieces and add them with the course. Fingerprints on the stamps, repolish and handle by the stamp or base. Practice 10-15 minute drills to build speed and accuracy. Do a 2 cover raise and measure deviations with a ruler. Correct it under 60 seconds. Build a perfect water wire diagonal with 1 to 10 centimeter spacing. Fold 6 napkins to the exact same size, then stack them. Edges must sit perfectly square. And now is a time for the mini quiz. Which side does the bread plate go on, and where does its knife point? How far from the table edge should flatware sit? Place the first 3 glasses, water, white, red, relative to the main knife. When is the charger removed? State the outside-in rule in 1 sentence. Measure once, place with purpose, and polish like a pro. If every cover matches, edges straight, stem spotless, blades in, the table quietly tells your guests they are in expert hands. If this helped you, please like and subscribe, share it with someone who wants to work on yachts, and grab today's place setting checklist in my Telegram. The link is in the description. See you on the next lesson. Bye!